I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in this video I'll show you how to bypass a forgotten lock screen pin, password or pattern if you have forgotten it. Now obviously you need to factory reset this device, and because you cannot do this through settings because you've forgotten your credentials, you'll need to enter into recovery mode for you to be able to bypass that particular lock screen pin, password or pattern. And for you to do that, all you have to do is enter recovery mode. So simply press and hold the side key and the volume up button. So press and hold like that simultaneously. And then while you're in this menu, simply slide down to power off your device. And once your device goes off, now all you have to do is press the side key and the volume down button until you see the OnePlus logo. And then once you see the OnePlus logo, let go of your side key and continue pressing the volume down key until you boot in recovery mode. So let's do that together. Side key and volume down. So press and hold just like that. Then once you see the OnePlus logo, keep pressing the volume down key until it boots in recovery mode just like that. And luckily for OnePlus, you can be able to use the touch screen to select your items on your screen, or you can still use the side keys to navigate, and the volume buttons to navigate, and the side key to select. So select your language, and then here you'll be prompted to format your data. So simply select format data and enter the code that is going to be provided there. So once you enter it, you're going to see this menu. And in this menu, simply select format, and the data is going to be wiped from your OnePlus Nord CE6. So once it's formatted, simply tap on OK, and your phone is going to reboot into the welcome screen once again. So wait for that to happen. So that's the welcome screen. You're now back into your OnePlus phone. And if you have SIM cards, you'll need to enter the SIM pin. And once you unlock your SIM card, you can now proceed with the setup. So tap on the arrow, select your language, tap on next. This is a quick setup. Select your region, tap on next, next. You want to skip this point because if you select any of these options, it's going to prompt you to enter any of the lock screens on that device. So you want to tap on skip. Connect to a Wi-Fi network, so do that. And then tap on next. So go on setting up your phone as you would until you get to the most important part that I just want to show you. So once you get to this point, simply select don't copy, and then it's going to continue checking for info. And then obviously you're going to be prompted to enter your lock screen pattern, pin or password. And as you can see at the top here, you'll see this padlock icon because your phone is currently locked and you need to enter this. And because you've forgotten it, all you need to do is tap on cancel. And then now you'll be prompted to enter the credentials for your email. So enter the email that was on this phone before you hard reset it, so that you can be able to bypass that lock screen pin, password or pattern. And once you enter your email, enter your password and then tap on next. And then it's going to get the account information. So you may need to enter that email once again. So my apologies, you may be needed to enter another Google account to this, so you can skip this for now. So skip that and then tap on skip. And then as you can see, we've already bypassed that lock screen pattern. As you can see, the padlock icon has disappeared. So you can go on setting up your phone as you normally would, accepting all these options, which you can always change later. So go on setting up your phone as usual. And as you'll see at the end, we will have bypassed all these lock screen pin, password or pattern that you had forgotten, just like that. And as you can see, you're back into your phone, and that's basically how to bypass or how to fix a forgotten lock screen pin, password or pattern on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Any questions and comments, you can leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.